Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F12 and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this Samsung. Start by going into settings and scrolling down. Now tap on lock screen, pick screen lock type and select one of the login methods, pattern, pin or password. Click at the chosen one, enter it, choose continue at the bottom right corner, repeat it and choose confirm. Over here you can turn on or off notifications on your lock screen by clicking on the switcher, and when you're done, just click done. Over here, tap on agree and sign in into your Samsung account if you want to back up your pattern, but I don't want to, so I will click home button, and now, when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!